Tirginchilish kitobi 8-yil May I Have Your Autograph degan maqolani ko'rib chiqamiz. Birinchisi admire degani hurmat qilmoq degani, respect yoki look up to. Willing degani beminnat yoki yordam berishga tayyor. C variant. Earn degani pul orqali nimanidir jamg'arish. Make sure work. Entertainer degani o'sha san'at vakillari, actors, singers or dancers D variant bo'ladi. Sign degani yozmoq degani, write. Matters degani anglatmoq degani A variant sinonim bo'ladi. Matnga o'tamiz. Is there a famous person whom you really admire? Siz rostdan ham juda ham hurmat qilgan mashhur odangiz bormi? Wouldn't you love to have his or her autograph? Sizda uni dastxati bo'lishni xohlarmidingiz? You would never throw that person's autograph away because of your admiration for him or her. Siz hech qachon o'sha odamni dastxatini otib yubormaysiz, unga bo'lgan hurmatingiz sabab. However, some people collect autographs even from people they don't admire. Shunga qaramasdan, ba'zi odamlar o'zlari hurmat qilmagan mashhur yoki odamlardan ham dastxat olishaveradi. They just want autographs from any famous person. Ular xohlagan mashhur odamlardan olishadi. Rather than collecting these autographs to keep, they collect these autographs to sell. Ularni saqlagandan ko'ra ularni sotishni afzal bilishadi. These days, there are more than 20,000 people who collect autographs for the value of the autographs might have in the future. Bugungi kunda 20 ming ortiq odamlar dastxat yig'ishadi, kelajakda qiymati yo'q qolishi uchun. Since these people are willing to pay a lot of money for an autograph hounds now hang around sports centers, concert arenas and cheap restaurants trying to get autographs they can sell. Bugungi kunda, ya'ni hozirda odamlar o'sha autograf uchun pul berishga tayyor va autograf, ya'ni dastxat oluvchilar sport markazlarida, konsert arena yoki arzon restoranlarda ularni autografni olishni turishadi. They can sometimes make as much as 1,500 for one autograph. Ular ba'zida $1,500 olishadigan bitta dastxat uchun. In fact, one very successful autograph hound earns about 100,000 a year. Aslida muvaffaqiyatli dastxat oluvchi yiliga $100,000 jamg'arishi mumkin. There are also companies that buy and sell autographs. Va shuningdek, o'sha dastxatlarni olib sotadigan kompaniyalar ham bor. One company, Professor History, says it has the largest collection of Newton's autographs in the world. Bitta kompaniya borki, Professor History deb ataladi va u eng katta mashhur san'at vakillarini dastxatlarini olgan. And earns more than $12 million a year. Va yiliga $12 million pul jamg'aradi. Some autographs from this company may cost under $100, but others can cost several thousand dollars. Bu kompaniyada eng arzoni $100 turadi, dastxatda, lekin qolganlari bir necha ming dollar turishi mumkin. The price of an autograph depends on how rare the autograph is. O'sha dastxatning narxi u dastxatning qanchalik noyobligiga bog'liq. For example, famous people like Angelina Jolie and George Clooney sign a lot of autographs. Misol uchun, Angelina Jolie yoki George Clooney kabi mashhur insonlar juda ko'p dastxat qo'yishgan. Therefore, their autographs are not rare and are not worth very much money. Shuning uchun ularning dastxatlari noyob emas va ko'p pulga arzimaydi. On the other hand, Madonna and Nicole Kidman rarely sign anything. Boshqa tarafdan, Madonna va Nicole Kidmanlar kamdan-kam dastxat qo'yishadi. This makes their autographs rare and more valuable. Bu ular dastxatlarini kamyob va ko'proq qiymatli qiladi. Queen Elizabeth II almost never signs autographs, therefore something with her signature on it might sell for around $3,500. Qirolicha Elizabeth II hech qachon dastxat qo'ymagan. Agarda shu qo'ygan taqdirda ham uni kamida $3,500 ketishi mumkin. It doesn't matter if the person is dead. Agar u kishi o'lgan bo'lishi ham muhim emas. Elvis Presley and Napoleon signed many things. Elvis Presley va Napoleonlar juda ko'p narsalarga dastxat qo'yishgan. Their signatures are only worth $1,500. Ularning dastxatlari atiga $1,500 arziydi xolos. However, signed letters from Marilyn Monroe are very rare. Shunga qaramasdan, Marilyn Monroe tomonidan qo'yilgan xatdagi dastxatlar juda ham noyob. They can cost $50,000 each. Ularning har biri $50,000 turishi mumkin. The highest price ever paid for an autograph was $7,050 millions for a letter written and signed by Abraham Lincoln. Hop, o'sha eng baland berilgan narx qo'yilgan dasturlardan biri bu $750,000 bo'lgan va Abraham Lincoln tomonidan yozilgan va qo'yilgan xatda bo'lgan. Savollarga o'tiramiz. What's the main idea of this reading? Matn so'z g'oyasi nimada? Collecting afterwards is fun. Some afterwards are rare. Signatures of people for dead are worth most. Collecting afterwards can be business. Bitta to'g'ri javob deb bo'ladi, ya'ni dasturlarni yig'ish ham biznes bo'lishi mumkin. What does price of a photograph mostly depend on? O'sha dasturning narxi ko'proq nimaga tayanadi? To'g'ri javob bitta A bo'ladi. How hard it is to find the photograph, ya'ni qanchalik noyobligiga qaramiz. Which is true about progress in history. O'sha progress in history degan kompaniya haqida to'g'ri ma'lumot. It's an photograph museum, it's a book famous people, it's small sells photographs, it's a business that sells photographs. Bitta to'g'ri javob D bo'ladi, ya'ni o'sha aytdi-ku, olib sotadigan bunaqa biznes dedi, kompaniyada o'shaning uchun Dni olsa bo'laveradi. Whose signature was worth most? Kimga, ya'ni kimi dastxati eng ko'p pulga arzigan? B variant Abraham Lincoln's. From the reading, what do you think an autograph hound is? Matndan kechib turib siz autograph houndni kim deb o'ylaysiz? Xo'p, someone who buys autographs, sotadigan odamlar. B'da to'g'ri javob B bo'ladi mana. Someone who gets autographs from famous people. O'sha mashhur odamlardan dastxat oladigan odamlar. Idiomalar throw away, otib yuborish yoki qutulish, hang around, qayerdadir kutib turish, depend on, biror narsaga bog'liq. Don't the receipt, you may need it. Endi to'g'ri javob bitta throw away bo'ladi, ya'ni otib yorma. Dastxatni otib yorma bo'lsa kerak bo'lib qolishi mumkin. Retseptni otib yorma bo'lsa kerak bo'lib qolishi mumkin deyapti. Sally usually the mall with some friends. Sally odat do'stlari bilan do'konga nima qiladi? Do'kon atrofida kutib turadi. Hang around. Your grades, how much you study. Seni baholaring, sen qancha o'qishingga nima bog'liq. Depend on uchinchiga tushyapti. Xo'p. Summarysi. A successful photograph hound earns about a. Qaraymiz endi. Muvaffaqiyatli o'sha dastxatga o'chiliga qancha jamg'arish mumkin? Matnda aytilganki $100,000 gacha nima qilish mumkin, jamg'arish mumkin deyildi. Ikkinchisi, a company that sells photographs earns from more than, o'sha nimalar yig'uvchi dastxatlar yig'uvchi kompaniya yiliga qancha topish mumkin? $12 million topish mumkin. Queen Elizabeth's second signature is rare, so it might be sold for $3,500. Ya'ni $3,500 ketadi. Something signed by Elvis or Napoleon is worth only $1,500. O'sha Napoleon bilan Elvis tomonidan qo'yilgan dastxatlar atigi $1,500 ketadi xolos. A signed letter from Marilyn Monroe can cost mana $50,000. $50,000 bo'lishi mumkin. Someone paid for one of Lincoln's letters. Hop, kimdir o'sha Lincolnning xatlariga pul to'lagan, $750,000 to'lagan, $750,000 oxiriga tushadi. Matnga o'tiramiz. My friend coins has a big jar full of them. Hop, mening do'stim tangalari nimadir qiladi va unda juda ham ko'p. Collects to'g'ri javob. The woman's famous actress to have a pen. Let's get her autograph. To'g'ri javob. A. He's a popular singer. U mashhur qo'shiqchi. Hop, he earned mana to'g'ri javob C. Chunki u mana o'sha oxirgi albomidan millionlab dollar jamg'ardi. I wanted to buy autograph movie poster, but the was too high. But the price was too high. Men o'sha dastxat tushirilgan kino posterini olmoqchidim, lekin narxi juda baland ekan. You might not care about visiting your parents, but it matters a lot to them. To'g'ri javob C. Many tourists is a chic cafe downtown to see famous movie stars. Ko'plab turistlar nima qilishadi? O'sha kafe yonida turishadi. Hang around, C variant. We're boss to work late tonight to finish the project. We're boss willing to work bo'ladi mana. Biz o'sha finish qilish uchun proyektni tayyormiz, kechasi bilan ishlashga. To'g'ri javob D. She was a writer for years before she won Nobel Prize for Literature. Was an. U qanaqa yozuvchi edi? Nimani? Ko'p yillar oldin u admired, hurmat qilingan, nom qozongan yozuvchi edi. Nobel mukofotini 3 ta oldi. A few stars make millions of dollars, but most earn very little. Ko'plar o'sha bir nechta yulduzlar millionlar jamg'arishadi, lekin ularning ko'pi nima qilishadi? But most entertainers lekin ko'pi kam jamg'arishadi. A variant to'g'ri javob. Should I my name at the bottom of the page? Should I endi shu madad qilib bo'lgandan keyin fe'l o'zi keladi. Asosiy yegandan keyin to'g'ri javob B bo'ladi ekan.